Wow, this guy did Blockbuster.
This isn't so bad.
That kind of did scare me. I never could stop getting scared of this video.
It felt like it was shorter.
Yeah, didn't it?
Anybody little by name Will Smith.
There's a car driving from Valley.